These are certain questions, that as a layman, I would want to ask you. So the
Yes,
first
definitely.
question that I would shoot to you is why and what was the inspiration behind bringing up such a giant idea in India?
So Dilpreet International Design Academy, IDA, is one of the leading colleges in India
Yeah.
and one of the colleges which is having majority international types from
Oh.
Milan, from France, from
Oh.
various countries providing international opportunities to all the students. And IDA has been a dream come true project of my life.
Yeah.
So it is one project, I will tell you that the the vision to launch IDA was to provide quality education
Absolutely.
to all the design students, to students who want to actually make their career in this design industry,
Yeah.
but at affordable prices, and
Yes.
also by giving them the international opportunities that they deserve to get, because India is full of skilled designers. You
Yes.
see across, we have students who are doing great, but yes,
Absolutely.
the only connect that they are missing is this international connect, and that is what IDEA is serving them by providing this Milan Association. And
Absolutely.
I would also want to tell everybody that we are the one institutions who are providing opportunities to international runways, international study abroad programs,
Yes.
international master classes. That is something students they get completely free.
Yeah,
Yes,
that's
studying
what.
at IDEA. Yeah.
And being associated with you for such a long time, I have myself seen, international faculty taking their classes. They
Yes,
have that sort of an exposure, and
exactly.
that's humongous. I've not seen that anywhere. So that is one of the
Yes,
USP of IDEA. I think bringing Milan to India is huge. So the
yes.
next question is why Instituto di Borgo affiliation? Why was it?
See, Dilpreet, Burgo is one of the top-notch college across the globe.
Yeah,
Like every year, thousands and thousands of students from India,
yeah,
they are migrating, they are going abroad for getting this certifications from the international universities. And
yes,
as you know, that Milan is the fashion capital.
absolutely.
So students, they look up to Milan.
Yeah.
So the reason of getting Burgo to India was to provide this international exposure, international opportunities to all our Indian students by studying in India. So I'll also inform you that with us, it is not a mandatory clause that the student has to travel abroad.
Yeah,
Even if the student is studying in India, in the Indian campus,
yeah.
and planning to avail these diplomas by studying in India, they can avail that. And this is one opportunity that they're getting through us.
And
So,
then the affiliation, of course, is like from Milan.
exactly.
And with the, not to forget the mention here, I would want to mention that they have around 30K students in India with over 60 nationalities,
Exactly.
and they have more than 30 campuses.
Across the
That's
globe.
huge. That's across globe. Yeah.
Yes.
So that's one big win that you have. And then what set idea apart from other fashion and design academies, if I may say
See,
so?
our vision is not to create job oriented students.
Yeah,
We promote our students, we encourage our students to get into entrepreneurship, to start up their
absolutely.
own brands. I am very I can proudly say that in my campus, all the students, IDEA students, after completing their first year, in the very second year,
Mhm.
they go for initial internships, and then after initial internship period, they started their brand. So
Mhm.
we actually promote them, we actually encourage them to get into startups, to have their own brands,
Yeah.
and to launch their own brand. So this is the reason we always say, do not look for a job, rather create
Create,
opportunities for
yes,
others.
for
Yes.
others as well. So that's a very good thought. And
Yeah.
moving ahead to another question, any advice that you would want to give to the upcoming talent?
See, if my students they are watching me today, so they always know that I always tell them one thing, that in any field, be it any profession, there
Yeah,
are no shortcuts.
absolutely.
You really have to give your 100%. You will have to toil. There are going to be times when you will be facing disappointment. You will be facing failures.
Yes,
This is part of profession. So always remember, do not give up on your profession. And if you have started with one vision that you want to be a designer,
designer,
so give your 100%, and definitely you will see
succeed.
within course of time, after all the roller coaster ride and ups and downs, you will see that you will achieve your dreams.
And I've seen your students and the work that they have done.
Yes.
backstage. Oh my God, that's huge.
Thank
That's
you,
mammoth.
Dilpreet.
And I think your faculty and your association and your desire to give the best to the students, it has come up really well. So to
Thank you.
conclude, every year IDA conducts the global runway
Yes.
and gives this opportunity. What is the idea behind creating a mini Milan every year?
In Mini Milan, exactly. So again, Dilpreet, in India, there are a lot of, as I already told you, that we have skilled students,
Yes.
but because of financial issues, which
Yeah.
because of various other issues, they are unable to travel abroad for
Yes.
showcasing in Milan. Every year we showcase our garments in Milan as well. But for students who are unable to travel abroad,
Yeah.
so for them, we have created a platform like Evolve the Global Runway in India, where they participate and they get international certifications from Burgo. So this is one thing that we planned with Burgo for Indian students, because we know our students, they deserve to get
The best.
everything of best.
Yes, bestest. And
Yes,
when I take a look around, if they pan the camera, oh my God, it's actually looking like a mini Milan.
yes.
Congratulations, and
Thank you,
I hope
Dilpreet.
you soar really high and you've
Thank you.
given wings to these students, and they are really flying high. They're going to fly high with beautiful colors with a visionary like you.
Thank you, Dilpreet. Thanks a lot.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you. It means a lot.
So that is it from my side. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.